Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to know who views your Instagram profile. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Well, to be precise, there isn't any straightforward way for you to check who views your Instagram page. Instagram doesn't have an inbuilt feature to let users check who has viewed their profile. And there's a very good reason behind that, and that is users' privacy. But if you're still curious, then you can do it by using third-party apps to see who viewed your Instagram profile. There are an absolute ton of apps, both on the App Store and the Play Store, that will help you believe that you can see who views your Instagram account. For example, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Social View for Instagram or Profile Plus-like applications, and you can try each one of them. Another way to see who views your profile is to switch your personal account to business account. By doing so, you'll be able to see number of people who views your profile in the insights. However, the insights won't reveal the name of all the individual users who have visited your profile, but you will still get an idea of how many people have visited it. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.